float needle would do, the float needle would bung that up to stop any fuel flow when the chamber is full. There's a little O-ring here that goes on the side of it, and without that O-ring, or if it's damaged, the fuel can come past there and overfuel, just like diagram 2 I've done here. So this shows fuel coming in, and it would come up that way. No O-ring in here, so what's going to happen is it's going to go straight past and bypass into the float chamber, and that is then going to look like it overfuel the engine on that carb, or if it's a few of them, banking carbs. What can happen over time is that O-ring can perish or get damaged or whatever. So this isn't just a load of waffle. I'm actually going to show you in practice. I've got an old carb there. I'm going to show you with a good O-ring in. Now I'm going to take the O-ring out, use a bit of salty water, and actually show you the proper demonstration rather than just saying this is how it works. 1 second there. So there's a couple of types. You see this one hits high. There's also this type that sits pretty flush. And to remove these, what I like to do is I'll take a tap and I'll just run a tap down them. I've already done this one before, so I had this one out. And that allows you then to actually get a screw in and a bolt, and then you can just get a grip on it and wiggle it out with a bolt. I'm not going to do it with taps, I'll just snap the very tap. But you know what, yeah, sod's law on it when that happens. Right, so what was I talking about before? In here, behind there's a little O-ring. Haven't damaged the O-ring yet. So what I'm going to do, a little bit of tube on it. I'm going to blow. And you hear the air coming past. So I'm going to bung that little hole off. Somehow. As before. Right. That's sealed. Now I'm blowing a bit of salty water just to prove it. I'll try and get a closer shot there. You see bubbles coming outside. The only place the bubbles coming out is the top there. Use my finger. Get a better seal. Right. So now I'm going to damage this O-ring. I'm going to just pull this out with a pair of pliers, knock the O-ring off. All done one take, so you can see there's no. See, just behind there is that hollowed O-ring. Come on, come into focus. There we go. I'm just going to take that off. Or damage it, any will do. 2 seconds, I'll get a pick. And get one take of this though. I've got one knacker card. Pretty freezing this shed. See, they don't always want to come off. 2 seconds, grab something to hold that in so I don't hit my fingers. If you want to skip forward, skip forward. Almost off. Or at least damaged to a point. Yeah, there's damage now. There's a little hole in it there. Just there. Right. Just going to take that off. Still don't want to come off, but there we go. Right. So now I've removed the O-ring. I can pop that back in. Put the O-ring on. Push that in. You can hear this. It is. Some leakage. Get my water out.